Looking for a cycling shoes for Bowflex C6? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 best cycling shoes for Bowflex C6 available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect piloten bike shoes for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the X5 Terra, Military Green Tangy Green. The X5 Terra cycling shoes are precision fit with a single micro-adjustable Bose 6 lira dial B dial and a 25mm microfiber and Velcro strap. They feature a composite carbon fiber vented outsole and physics cycling insole for support, comfort and power transfer, and have laser perforated micro-techs and inner mesh uppers for flexibility and cooling. The X5 Terra shoes also have a reinforced thicker tongue material for trail impact protection and light, tough woven tape heel loops for carrying and storage. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the Tommaso Pistovaria Elite Knit Quick Lace Cycling Shoes. The Tommaso Pistovaria Elite Knit Quick Lace Cycling Shoes are specifically designed for indoor cycling and piloten classes. The shoes feature a comfortable and breathable XD knit upper made from extra strong nylon yarn for all-day foot-hugging comfort. The Pisto Elite Quick Lace system optimizes fit while eliminating pressure points, ensuring your most comfortable fit ever. The shoes are also 100% compatible with all cleat types, offering the perfect platform no matter what pedals you ride. At number 3 on our list. We have the Giro Cadet W Women's Road Cycling Shoes. The Giro Cadet W Women's Road Cycling Shoes are designed for a comfortable and supportive fit. The one-piece cinchwire upper with soft lace guides provides breathability and support. The Bose 6 lira dial offers easy micro-closure adjustment with instant release. The carbon-reinforced outsole provides optimal power transfer with stainless steel hardware and dual-injected TPU walking pads. The 3D molded foot provides medium arch support. The shoes are 2 and 3 bolt cleat compatible and work with all 2 bolt and 3 bolt pedal cleat systems. At number 4 on our list. We have the Venzo Bike Bicycle Women's Ladies Cycling Riding Shoes. This shoe offers the perfect blend of comfort and performance, making it ideal for road riding, commuting, touring, and spin class. The cleat area is compatible with every cleat type on the market, including Look Delta and the Piloten bike, offering the perfect platform no matter what pedals you ride. The shoe also features quick drying, highly breathable mesh and synthetic upper construction, textile lining with removable sock liner, and low-cut construction for a light, fast fit and feel. Plus, the included Delta cleats are of high quality and widely used for spin bikes such as Piloten. The cleats feature a 9-degree floating which ensures comfortable riding compared with fixed cleats. The adjustable floating resistance is an extra bonus. Order now and worry-free with our 2-year warranty. Made in Taiwan. At number 5 on our list. We have the Shimano SHIC 500W Women's High Performance Indoor Cycling Shoe. The Shimano SHIC 500W is a high-performance indoor cycling shoe designed specifically for indoor cycling. It is recommended that you carefully use the sizing image and measure your foot in order to choose the correct size. If you are in between sizes, choose the next size up. The SHIC 500W features a stiff sole and snug fit that transfers your power straight to the pedals, as well as a grippy rubber sole and recessed cleat that make walking a breeze. At number 6 on our list. We have the X5 Terra Military Green Tangy Green. The X5 Terra is a high-performance cycling shoe that is perfect for any rider looking for a precision fit. The single micro-adjustable Bose 6 lira dial B dial and a 25mm microfiber and Velcro strap provide a snug, comfortable fit. The composite carbon fiber vented outsole and Fazio cycling insole combine to give support, comfort and tremendous power transfer. The X5 Terra also features a light, tough woven tape heel loop for carrying and storage. At number 7 on our list. We have the Giro Ranger Men's Mountain Cycling Shoes. This shoe offers a one-piece cinchwire upper for a supple yet supportive fit, as well as great breathability. The classic 3-strap closure offers fast, intuitive fitting with the ability to adjust on the fly. The tough nylon plate provides optimal power transfer, while the dual-injected rubber outsole offers traction when hiking. The 3D molded foot provides medium arch support. This shoe is also 2-bolt cleat compatible and works with all 2-bolt pedal cleat systems. At number 8 on our list, we have the Physic Tempo Overcurve R5 unisex cycling shoe. The Physic Tempo Overcurve R5 cycling shoe is a quick-fit road cycling shoe that is suitable for all cyclists and every ride. This shoe has been designed to offer an essential and timeless look and versatile performance to make every exit enjoyable. The classic considerations of a road shoe have been redefined with a distinct Physic identity and an elegant construction that adapts to the shape. The Overcurve is a shoe construction characterized by a staggered collar that envelops the ankle, tracing the natural misalignment of the two bone protrusions of the ankle, the lateral and medial malleoli. The result is an asymmetrical shape, with the throat of the shoe curving on the foot from its outer to the inner part. The closure is fast and secure, powered by a micro-adjustable BOA IP1 dial and a Velcro strap for perfect adjustment of the forefoot area. The R5 nylon composite sole is soft and comfortable even in the long range, but without compromising the efficiency of cycling. At number 9 on our list, we have the Tommaso Pistovaria knit women's cycling shoes. The Tommaso Pistovaria knit women's cycling shoes are designed for indoor cycling class riders who want the best performance and value possible. The shoes feature a XD knit upper made from extra strong nylon yarn for ultra breathability and all-day, foot-hugging comfort. The Pistovaria also has a fiberglass reinforced sole for optimal stiffness and maximum power transfer. The shoes come with Look Delta cleats, Piloton compatible, and are also compatible with all cleat types. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Venzo Bicycle men's or women's road cycling indoor riding shoes. This shoe features quick drying, highly breathable mesh and synthetic construction with a textile lining and removable sock liner. The low-cut construction provides a light and fast fit and feel, while the flexible forefoot and running shoe beveled heel create a shoe that is perfect for road riding, commuting, touring, and spin class. The cleat area is compatible with every cleat type on the market, including Look Delta and the Piloton bike, offering the perfect platform, no matter what pedals you ride. The included Look Delta cleats are of high quality and are widely used for spin bikes such as the Piloton. The cleats feature a 9-degree floating which ensures comfortable riding compared with fixed cleats. The adjustable floating resistance is an extra bonus. Order now and worry-free with our 2-year warranty. Made in Taiwan. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.